teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Mai.
Okay, mine. Let's practice. Who are they?
They are family.
Who are they?
She is mommy. She is.
Who is he?
He is daddy.
Who is she?
She is mommy.
Who is he?
He is daddy.
Who are they?
They are parents.
Who is he?
He is brother.
Who is she?
She is sister.
Who are they?
They are sisters.
Who is that? Who's it?
That is my mommy.
Who is that?
That is my daddy.
Who is that?
That is my brother.
Who is that?
That is my sister. Goodbye, teacher.